In this video, I will show you how to make a GIF in Canva. First, open Canva, then click on Template, tap the search bar, type GIF and press enter. Now select any template and customize this template. Next, delete all the element from the page. From the left sidebar, tap element, click on the search bar and type the subject you want to add. Then tap see all. Click on videos and select the object you want to turn into a GIF. Once you have added the video, click on share. Then click download. Select GIF as the file type and click transparent background and finally click download. After the download is complete, click open. As you can see, the GIF has been created successfully. And that is how you can make a GIF in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.